Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick video. Well, I don't know how quick this video is going to be. Just a kind of chatty chit chat video, just a share actually, to show you guys this mini album that I worked on. And I also did film this as a tutorial, which I have to do some editing, so I'll come back and post that at a later date. I'm hoping to get it up by the weekend, but it's pretty long and I was trying to find ways to kind of cut down on the time in the tutorial, because I kind of struggle with explaining things. But anyway, there will be a tutorial on this book. I'm sitting here right now and I'm still like decorating my cover and stuff, so I decided to go ahead and film a video just to share with you guys. So this is a baby boy album. And I did this album like a binder style 8x10 album. It says Sweet Baby, and this is one of the little die cut pieces that came in the paper collection that I used, and I just popped it up on some chipboard. Anyway, so this album is a little bit different from the other albums that I made. I wanted this one like a binder style, basically just to showcase some 4x6 pictures of the baby. And then also I just added one signature page in the inside. And so you have your waterfall flips with all the pretty papers from the collection that holds pictures. So that's 12. So this will hold 24, and this side will hold 24. Okay, so that's 48 photos. And then for the signature page, this section right here, this could be a 5x7 photo, or if you want to put a 4x6 and add some die cuts. I made this for a coworker of mine who will be having a baby boy in December. And here's also two places for photos. So where were we at? 48, there's 49, 50, 51 so far. This flips open, and this just flips open to two larger sections. And I am going to leave this blank and up to Mom as to whether she wants to add a large photo of the baby or several smaller photos. So there's more. It's a potential for 1, 2, 3, 4 photos here, or 2 large photos. However she wants to do that. Okay, so then it flips to this side, and then there is a pocket right here. And I plan on making a few little photo booklets to add in that pocket, so there's more photos. So you can probably get 50 something photos in this little memory book, this baby boy book. And also, not to mention, this signature page has a area right here where I am going to add a pullout, so that'll give you more space for photos. So maybe 50 to 60 photos for this album, depending on how Mom wants to do it. But it's a very simple, easy album to make, and I just thought it was super cute. And I do have, left over from the paper collection. I have stickers that came with the paper collection, and I used this one. I showed you guys this in a haul. It's one from Hobby Lobby by the Paper Studio. It's a baby boy collection, and I had got the scrapbook kit with the 12x12 papers, and also I had got the 8x8 baby boy collection. And I used most of the papers out of there, but I still have some of the stickers. So I will be making some photo cards to stick in the pocket, And then I may just save these two in the plastic to gift them to Mom with the book, and she can do what she wants with this. If she wants to add other little elements to this book, she can do that. So I'm thinking about doing that. I also have plenty of the die cuts left here. So cute that came with this paper collection. So I'm going to be adding this clothespins and this little teddy bear wooden piece that I got from Hobby Lobby. I shared that with you guys. And I also have these that I thought was perfect to match this book. So I will be adding some of these little elements in throughout the book because they're so cute. And yeah, so I will be working on getting that tutorial. I know I've been promising another tutorial to you guys. I just struggle with constantly repeating myself and just being redundant. So anyways, I will be working on getting the tutorial because it's super easy. If you are a person who have already been making these mini albums, it's basically like a binder style, and you're just adding the waterfall in the front and the back, and just making one hinge for one page. So I like this. Like, you don't really have to worry about doing 5 or 6, signatures, and you still have all your spots for your photos. And I also will be just including a pack of these photo corners in here when I gift her this book. I will go ahead and add the photo corners for the waterfalls, but I will also add some of these in here for her to choose what size photos on these spots that she wants to use. So she can even put a photo down here on this pocket. So that is, so I really like it. I think it came out really cute. I have a piece of chipboard right here that I want to cut and glue to the back of my teddy bear because I want to add a little bit more dimension, because I want these clothespins to come around the little teddy bear. So I am going to just cut a couple of pieces just to make the teddy bear sit up a little bit higher. So I'm just gonna glue these together. If I can get my glue to work. Maybe not. I have that problem. Well, I have my glue gun here, and I'll probably just use my glue gun and just put these together like so. Like that. I want it to be kind of, I want it to lay even. Yeah. And then I'm going to pop that up. And then I'm thinking I'm going to put this like this. It's going to have some dimension to it. And my little paper clips, I'm going to add a little glue. Clothespin, sorry. And just kind of put them around the teddy bear, just to add a little bit of decorative elements. So that is what I'm going to do. So I don't know, I may need to add more. No, that'll be a little bit much. So do that. And I want to add the little teddy bear right there. Right on the front. So cute. And let's just see if I can slide that in there like that. Sorry about the background noise. My son is being really loud. it's coming up. So let me see. If I can get my teddy bear to stay. I don't know if I let my glue gun get hot enough. You know, sometimes if they're still kind of cool, the glue will come out, but it won't adhere very well. And I do not want this to fall apart after I give it to somebody, so I'm going to wait and see. Isn't that so cute? Sweet baby boy. I got this too from Dollar Tree. I don't want to be adding too much. And I'm thinking I might cut his name. She's already picked out a name for the baby and put his name right down here. But yeah, that is my share for today. And again, the paper collection was by the Paper Studio. It's the baby boy paper collection. And I will be coming soon with that tutorial. I did film it, guys. I need to edit it. I really do. I mean, I don't know. It turned out really, really long. So yeah, this is it. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed and would love to subscribe, click the link below to do so. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.